Welcome to the LifeWise Centre. This is where we deliver our safer driving at work courses for businesses who have staff driving for work purposes. Driving is one of the most dangerous tasks that your employees will have to do. We want to help you to reduce the number of road traffic collisions involving your company vehicles and drivers, and help to minimise their on-road risk. It's estimated that 1 in 3 crashes in the UK involves a vehicle being driven for work. Every week, around 20 people in the UK are killed and 220 seriously injured in collisions involving someone at work. Employers have a duty of care for the safety of their employees who are driving for work purposes. They should ensure that they have a well-communicated, safer driving at work policy and that employees adhere to it. This course will increase employees' and managers' awareness of their responsibilities when driving for work. Discussing actual situations and considering real scenarios, it will address drivers' attitudes to driving and encourage safer behaviours. The consequences for even a damage-only collision can be wide-ranging and costly to the business, the driver involved and the general public. We make use of the purpose-built set at the LifeWise Centre to illustrate a true-to-life scenario involving a driver from your business who is involved in a fatal road traffic collision. We'll take you through how the collision occurred, what happens immediately after the collision, showing a drug swipe and breathalyzer, and asking for a volunteer to be tested. We'll take you through the investigation process involving both the police and your company, through the coroner's and Crown Court process where a driver is convicted of causing death by dangerous driving, showing the judge at the bench bringing down the gavel as the driver stands in the dock hanging his head, illustrating clearly how the law can impact on you, your family and your company. We'll take you to the prison cell, to the defendant's first day in prison, a hard-hitting scenario played out by a former prisoner. We hope to show, via these powerful role plays, the potential consequences of an employee being involved in a fatal road traffic collision, and emphasise the need to have the correct policies and procedures in place to avoid such a scenario occurring in your business. In the meantime, there are things that you can do now to improve the safety of your staff whilst driving. Encourage positive driving behaviours amongst your employees. Take a tough stance with drivers who speed. Use a handheld mobile whilst driving. Don't wear a seatbelt or attempt to drive whilst under the influence of drink and drugs. Encourage drivers to look out for pedestrians and cyclists. Give cyclists plenty of room and slow down as you pass. Make sure that your employees are fit to drive. Consider their health and well-being and offer support and guidance where necessary. Fatigue increases a driver's risk of being involved in a collision. Make sure drivers take sufficient breaks and are well rested before starting a shift. Drivers should undertake daily checks to make sure their vehicle is roadworthy and ensure that vehicles are correctly loaded, taking care not to exceed maximum load capacities. Load should be securely stored during transit. Don't let your drivers become complacent in thinking this won't happen to me and it's only a company vehicle. Our Safer Driving at Work courses can be delivered over half or a full day and are tailored to meet the specific needs of your organisation. Free sessions are available for eligible businesses. Contact us today for more information and to see if you qualify for our special offers. Thank you for taking the time to watch our information video. We hope to hear from you soon.